In the booming construction market, precision and efficiency are key. Wood sawing tools are essential for creating the perfect cuts needed in modern building projects. As the demand for high-quality construction grows, so does the need for reliable and innovative sawing solutions. This is why, at CERATIZIT, we combine continuous R&D investments with deep market knowledge to bring you high-quality woodworking products. Our extensive product portfolio includes saw tips, strips, indexable knives, profiling blanks, rods, and more. Each product is designed to set industry standards in cutting performance and surface finish. With high-performance grades, our tools experience less breakage and chipping. We offer customized solutions through advanced production techniques and rapid prototyping, ensuring your needs are met promptly. Our innovative KCR grades for wood sawing provide flexibility for various applications, from softwood to hardwood and circular to bandsaws. These grades are corrosion-resistant, tough, and wear-resistant, increasing tool life by up to 20%. Recycling plays a crucial role in the wood industry, and CERATIZIT is committed to sustainability. By minimizing energy consumption and reducing dependence on single regions and suppliers, CERATIZIT ensures responsible sourcing of raw materials. The company actively participates in the Tungsten Industry Conflict Minerals Council, TICMC, to guarantee conflict-free procurement. Additionally, CERATIZIT efficient recycling processes for tungsten and cobalt from secondary raw materials contribute to significant environmental benefits. Visit our online shop for more information. Choose CERATIZIT for innovative, sustainable, high-performance solutions in wood and metal sawing.